Hello everyone. In this video, I will present the policy extraction phase of the policy making process from the perspective of the AI expert. As a first step, an authorized AI expert should enter in the VPME and then click on the policy extraction button. At this point, the AI expert is redirected to the AI expert view of the policy extraction component. Here we can see the list of the IA projects retrieved through the policy extraction API. Now, let's create a new project to work on. The AI expert first select an area, then a policy, and finally a KPI, and creates a new AI project. The project is initialized from a pre-built template which contains all the standard folders and files that the AI expert could use to create the AI pipelines. When the project is opened, the AI expert is redirected to the Jupyter Hub page, where they can edit existing Jupyter notebooks, copy them from a standard template, and create new ones if needed. After experimenting with Jupyter notebooks, the AI expert will customize the ML project template file to create the pipeline that automatizes the entire machine learning workflow. An MLflow project allows a machine learning code to be decomposed into small chunks that address very specific use cases, like data loading, processing, model training, and then chaining them together to form the final machine learning workflow. Once the pipelines are built, the AI expert can execute them using MLflow, which helps to track the progress of each step, monitor the performance of the model, and compare results of different experiments. The AI expert at this point should also initialize an empty repository on GitLab for the code management. Returning on the policy extraction homepage, we can see an example project for the PV system mapping for a climate-neutral Lisbon policy and the number of installations KPI of the Lisbon pilot. Here, the project is in an already advanced state and the pipeline has been built. Now we move on the project MLflow monitoring page. Here, the data scientist can evaluate the metrics of the model to determine its accuracy, precision, recall, and other performance values. This helps to choose the best performing model so far and identify areas that need improvement to further refine the model. Once the developments are finished, the pipeline is completed and the model is chosen. The data scientist pushes the final changes to GitLab. As a last step, the data scientist from the policy extraction homepage can close the project, clicking on Update Status and entering the URL of the project repository on GitLab. Thanks for your attention.